Welcome to Cosmo Talks. I'm Petra. In this episode, we explore why sleep is a recovery signal and how you can be a good host to your microorganisms. Because together, you form a fascinating ecosystem. And when the interaction is right, when the crosstalk runs smoothly, you flourish. We all know sleep is important. But why, exactly? The standard answer is rest. Your body is tired, so you sleep to rest. But that's not what's really happening. During sleep, your body is anything but at rest. Your brain is actively cleaning house. Your muscles are synthesizing proteins. Your immune system is consolidating. Sleep isn't a pause. Sleep is a signal to your entire system that it's time for regeneration. In 2012, researchers discovered something revolutionary: the glymphatic system, a network of channels in your brain that becomes active during sleep and clears away waste products. Your brain doesn't have a lymphatic system like the rest of your body. Instead, it has this glymphatic system, and it works almost exclusively during sleep. Sleep isn't optional. It's when your brain cleans itself. The glymphatic system was discovered by Micah Nedergaard and her team at the University of Rochester. Their work, published in Science, showed that brain cells shrink during sleep, increasing the space between cells so that cerebrospinal fluid can flow through and carry away waste. This waste includes beta amyloid, the protein that accumulates in Alzheimer's. Sleep deprivation leads to a buildup of this protein. Chronic sleep shortage is a risk factor for dementia. But the story goes further. In 2020, Cell published a study showing that your microbiome influences the quality of this cleanup process. Gut bacteria produce metabolites that cross the blood-brain barrier and modulate the activity of the glymphatic system. A disrupted microbiome correlates with reduced brain cleaning during sleep. This is the gut-brain axis in action while you sleep. What happens in your gut influences how effectively your brain cleans itself. A 2023 study in Nature Neuroscience went even further. Researchers showed that specific sleep phases, especially deep sleep, are linked to peaks in glymphatic activity. Disrupting these phases reduces brain cleaning, even if total sleep time stays the same. It's not only about how much you sleep, it's about how you sleep. At Cosmo Group, we saw the connection between sleep quality and cognitive recovery consistently. Since 2007, we've guided people with all kinds of health challenges: people with brain fog, concentration problems, cognitive fatigue. Their sleep patterns were often disrupted, not always too short, but almost always too shallow. A lawyer in her late 40s illustrates this. She slept enough hours but never woke up rested. Her cognition had declined. She described it as thinking through syrup. Her microbiome showed patterns we associated with sleep disruption: low diversity, reduced production of certain neurotransmitter precursors. We addressed two things: her microbiome and her sleep hygiene, fiber for her gut, a consistent sleep schedule for her brain. After 8 weeks, she described her mornings as clear for the first time in years. Her total sleep time hadn't changed. Her sleep quality had. Her brain finally got the chance to clean itself. The aha moment. Sleep isn't a luxury you can trade for productivity. It's when your brain does its essential cleanup. Every night you sleep too little or too shallowly, waste accumulates. Not metaphorically, literally. Proteins associated with neurodegeneration build up when the glymphatic system can't do its work, and your microbiome influences how effectively this system functions. Gut health and sleep quality aren't separate topics, they're interwoven. Invest in both. Your cognitive future depends on it. The biohack: protect your deep sleep. Glymphatic activity peaks during deep sleep. Alcohol, late screens, and irregular sleep times disrupt exactly this phase. This week, no alcohol within 3 hours of sleep. No screens within an hour of sleep. The same bedtime every night, weekends included. This isn't for the quantity of your sleep. This is for the quality. This is for your brain's cleanup. This was Cosmo Talks. What you've heard today is more than information. It's an invitation to look at your body differently, as an intelligent system that works with you. Want to dig deeper? Visit cosmogroup.eu. See you soon.